you are writing their names. Yes. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Sallallahu ala habibi Muhammadin wa alihi wasallam. It's model paper 10 and we are discussing the MCQs. What is the logic behind these MCQs? What is the reason of this option, B option, A option, C option, D option? I brought along dash a loaf. It will be a loaf of bread. Clear? It's C, okay? And then the tin of sardines. Clear? So tin is something special. That's the reason there is the article da is used. Clear? Next one. If a mountain is concrete noun, give an example of an abstract noun. Clear? So time is abstract noun. Why time is abstract noun? Who will tell me? Just raise your hands. Don't speak all together. One by one. Yes? Why it is abstract noun?
Because we can't touch it.
Because we cannot touch time. It doesn't have any, you can say, material form. Clear? Somebody should be standing over here. Voluntarily somebody should come over here. To press the down arrow key. Press the down arrow key. Next one is, she herself completed the project. Which type of pronoun is the word herself? Clear? It's a reflexive pronoun. Herself is a reflexive pronoun. Hold on. Clear? Herself is a reflexive pronoun used to refer back to the subject she. It is referring back to the subject she. Clear? And if we say she completed the project, if we remove the reflexive pronoun, what happens? The sentence does not lose the meaning. Don't do it. The sentence does not lose the meaning. Clear? It means if we remove the reflexive pronoun, sentence does not lose the meaning. And if we remove the emphatic pronoun, sentence loses the meaning. So that is, you can say, a handy trick to identify the reflexive pronoun and possessive, there was another one, that was emphatic pronoun. Whose pen is this? Identify the type of adjective for the underlined word. The underlined word, whose is this? Yes, whose is the underlined word? That is interrogative, I think so. Interrogative adjective, why not? We call it interrogative pronoun. Hold on. It's a technical question. It's a technical question. Why not we call whose as a, you can say, interrogative pronoun instead of calling it interrogative adjective? Why it is interrogative adjective? Let me know. Hurry up. Use your mind quickly. What is coming after whose?
Pen.
Please, one by one, raise your hands and talk to me. Pen is coming. What is pen? Noun. Telling the whose is telling the quality of pen. Whose is telling the quality of pen. That's the reason whose is interrogative adjective. Hold on. Clear? Had there been is, am, are after whose, then it might have been, interrogative pronoun. Clear? Next one. What is the title of the poem that you liked? Clear? The underlined word is, what is the underlined word? What? Clear? That is, I think, interrogative pronoun. Again, why interrogative pronoun? Verb is coming after it. If noun comes after it, what it will be?
Adjective.
Interrogative? If verb comes after it? Interrogative pronoun. If verb comes after it, it is interrogative pronoun. If noun comes after it, it becomes interrogative adjective. Clear? The girl was crying all the day. The girl was crying all the day. Was crying here can grammatically be termed as the girl was crying. Intransitive. Why intransitive verb? Order. Okay. Answer is there. Intransitive verb. I accept. Correct answer. But reason. Was crying is an intransitive verb. Verb phrase because it's a verb phrase, okay? Because it does not take a direct object. There is no was coming after. There is no direct object, and we cannot make the passive voice of it. Can we make the passive voice of it? If we cannot make the passive voice of it, that's the reason it is intransitive verb. If we can make the passive voice of it, then it is transitive verb. Next one. We drove right up to Helsinki in 2 days. The given sentence is simple, compounded, compound sentence, complex sentence. Why simple sentence? Because there is only one clause in it. Clear? Simple sentence contains a single independent clause. Clear? With one subject B and one predicate. Drove right up to the Helsinki in 2 days. Clear? Next one is the car which is parked outside is mine. The car which is parked outside is mine. The sentence illustrates the use of adjective clause. Why? Which is parked outside is an adjective clause modifying the noun car. That's the reason. Clear? So this is adjective which is parked outside. Why? What is adjective clause? It modifies the noun car. Clear? Next one. Are telling the quality of the girl. The quality of the noun. Clear? Next one, it is 9 number. She sings in a very melodious tone. Then there is what is the underlined part. In a very melodious order. In a very melodious tone. Clear? That is the underlined part. I think it's adverb phrase. Why it is adverb phrase? Because hold on. One by one, please. Don't spoil the beauty of the class. Decorum of the class. You can save the decorum of the class. How can you protect the decorum of the class? By speaking one by one. Class looks beautiful when you speak one by one. Class looks ugly when you speak all together. Raise your hands, talk to me. Why it is adverb phrase? What is the reason? Yes.
It's modify the verb.
Which verb it is modifying? It is modifying the verb sings. Clear? That's the reason. And what is the you can say definition of the adverb? That modifies a verb, adjective, another adverb. And which question it answers? She sings in a very melodious sense. Which question?
How she sings.
Adverb answers how, when, where. Which question it is answering? How she sings. She sings very beautifully. She tells very beautifully. How she tells? Very beautifully. Clear? Because she is speaking alone. Not all the class is speaking. Clear? Next one. The girl whose book I borrowed is my classmate. The girl whose book whose book I borrowed. Whose book I borrowed. Whose book I borrowed. Clear? That is, I think. Why adjective class? One by one. Please follow the rule. Why don't you raise your hands? I'm saying, why it is adjective class. Whose book I borrowed? Why it is adjective class? Again, you. Have you signed a contract with me to give me the answer? All the answers?
Modifies the noun.
Which noun it is modifying? Yes. It is telling. This you can say clause is telling the quality of the girl. What is the quality of the girl? Whose book I borrowed. Clear?
Adira Shah. Where is Adira Shah?
Maybe in the second year, I think so. Abira is in the second year, I think so.
No, sir.
Abira's sister is sitting.
Abira Shah. First year arts.
Abira is a newcomer. Anyway, next one. She's going, leaving.
Bag and baggage.
Family came. Shut the door, please. Shut the door. Shut the door. Okay, next one. The sequence of events that make up the story is called a plot. The sequence of events that make up the story is called plot. Clear? Look at the board. That is called a plot. Clear? The plot is the sequence of events that makes up the story, including the introduction, conflict, climax, and resolution. Who is talking? Note down their names. She has a nice set of wheels. She has a nice set of wheels. Set of wheels. Where a part, wheels, represents the whole car. A nice set of wheels. Yes. But it's synecdoche. Why synecdoche? A nice set of wheels is representing the whole car. Clear? When a part is representing the whole car or whole thing, that is called synecdoche. When part is representing the whole thing, that is called synecdoche. Clear? Next one, thy sting is not so sharp. This poetic verse illustrates the best use of metaphor. The sting is not so sharp. Thy sting is not so sharp. Clear? This is, what is metaphor?
Can I tell?
Hold on, one by one. What is metaphor? Direct comparison?
Metaphor is a direct comparison without using like or as.
Yes, without using like or as, metaphor is a direct comparison. Thy sting means your sting is not so sharp. Clear? So sting is directly compared to sharpness. Clear? Next one. Figure of speech where the same consonant sound is repeated at the beginning of a word is called, I think it's alliteration. When in the beginning of letters, the same letters or the same sound are repeated, that is called alliteration. Next one. His heart was as cold as ice. Let me complete this paper. Only 5 or 6 are left. His heart was as cold as ice. Use of simile. Next one. As cold. As or like is used, that is simile. Read the given sentence and identify the correct adverbial phrase from the given option. The children played happily in the park all the days. All the days. What is all the day? All the day is an adverbial phrase modifying the verb played. Clear? The children played happily all the day. All the day. Modifying the verb play. Clear? That is an adverbial phrase. Next one. Pick the correct synonym for the word versatile. Versatile. Versatile means adaptable. That can be adopted. Clear? Means capable of adapting to many different functions or activities. So adaptable is the best synonym for versatile. Clear? Next one. The word opposite in meaning to the word optimistic is pessimistic. Huh? Optimistic means what is optimistic? Positive minded. Pessimistic means negative minded. Clear? Next one. Choose the option with the correct spelling. Anesthesia. That is the correct spelling. Identify the example of a complex sentence He felt happy after he received. Clear? Why it is independent clause he felt happy? The independent clause after he received the good news. Clear? One independent, one dependent. Any question?
No.
Even if you have, you may ask me online, offline, that's your choice. Thank you very much. Have a nice time. And subscribe my channel, all of you.
We have already subscribed.
Thank you very much.